Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of ChatGPT, the revolutionary language model that's taking the tech industry by storm. Imagine a robot that can understand and respond to human language just like a human. Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? But it's not, it's a reality, and it's called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It's capable of understanding and generating human language, making it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT and show you how it works, its applications, and some fun examples of its usage. Are you ready to be amazed? Are you ready to see the future of natural language processing? Then sit back, grab a snack, and let's get started. Alright folks, let's dive into the inner workings of ChatGPT. First things first, GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer. It's like the magic genie of text generation. Feed it a prompt, and it'll spit out some human-like text. Pretty cool, right? But before it can grant your wishes, it needs to be trained. That's where pre-training comes in. Think of pre-training as giving ChatGPT a giant book of knowledge, filled with all sorts of text. This helps the model learn the ins and outs of human language, so it can understand and respond better. Once it's learned a thing or two, it's time for fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is like giving ChatGPT a specialized task to do. It's like taking your genie and making it a poetry genie, or a customer service genie. It's taking the skills it learned during pre-training and applying them to a specific job. The transformer architecture is the backbone of ChatGPT. It's like the central nervous system of the model. It's what allows it to understand and generate text of varying lengths, and take into account the context of the entire input. Basically, it's what makes ChatGPT so darn good at understanding human language. Now, let's talk about some of the fun things ChatGPT can do. Chatbots. Got it. Language translation. Sure thing. Text generation. You betcha. Summarization. Absolutely. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's get a little more creative. How about generating poetry? ChatGPT can write beautiful and meaningful poems that will make your heart swell with emotion. Or what about writing short stories? It can weave together a tale that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. And if you're feeling a little more adventurous, you can even try completing a conversation with ChatGPT. It's like talking to a robot that's so advanced, it's almost human. The future of natural language processing with ChatGPT. Are you ready to see the future of natural language processing? Because ChatGPT is leading the way. Just think about all the possibilities that come with a language model that can understand and respond to human language like a human. It's like having a personal AI assistant that can do anything from answering your questions to writing a novel. The sky is the limit. Imagine a future where chatbots are so advanced, you can't tell if you're talking to a human or a machine. Where language translation is so seamless, it's like everyone speaks the same language. Where text generation is so powerful, it's like having a team of writers at your fingertips. And where summarization is so efficient, you can read all the news in just a few lines. All of this is possible with ChatGPT. But it's not just about making our lives easier and more convenient. ChatGPT is also going to play a big role in industries like education and research. In education, it can be used to generate personalized learning materials, and even grade students' work. In research, it can be used to analyze large amounts of data, and even generate new hypotheses. The future with ChatGPT is like stepping into a science fiction movie, but it's not fiction anymore. It's reality. And it's happening right now. So get ready, because the future is here, and it's more exciting than ever before. Well folks, that's a wrap for this video on ChatGPT. We've covered a lot of ground, from how it works, to its many applications, and even some fun examples of its usage. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of ChatGPT and that you're as excited about its potential as we are. We've only scratched the surface of what ChatGPT can do, and there's so much more to explore. We hope you'll join us on the next video in the series, where we'll delve into the limitations and ethical considerations of using ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT is a game changer, a powerful tool that's going to shape the future of natural language processing. And if you're like us, you can't wait to see what's next. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all things ChatGPT. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, the future is here, and it's more exciting than ever before. Thanks for watching.